Hi, my name is Vikramjit Singh, and in this tutorial we are going to learn what are the VMware tools and how we can install VMware tools in Linux. So before installing the VMware tools, it's necessary to understand what are the VMware tools. So VMware tools is a suite of utilities that enhance the performance of the virtual machine guest operating system and improve management of the virtual machine. So you can also run the virtual machine without installing the VMware tool. But if you install the VMware tool, you will get some extra functionality like mouse movement and some other settings and other functions. So now let's install the VMware tool. So the first one is that we have to click on the VM button and click on the install VMware tools. After that, we have to mount the CD or DVD in which we have the tools like mount dev cd home. I'm going to mount my cd on the mnt mount point, and let's see what is inside the mnt. Okay, fine. Here you can see that I have 4 file: Manifest VMware tool upgrader for 64-bit, VMware tools upgrader for 32, run upgrader, and the VMware tools star.gz is the file. So now I'm going to show you in GUI mode so that you can easily understand how we can install the tools. So we have to go in MNT mount point and then just enter the file. It will take some time depending on the system configuration. So it's reading the archive file and just extract it. Here I'm giving the path of the desktop. Okay, fine. So extracting process has been started, so it will take some time. After installing the VMware tool, you will get a new experience with the VM machine. So we have to open the VMware install PL file, which is created in Perl language, run in terminal, and here we have to give some answer of the questions. You can just simply press the enter and yes. Here is asking in which directory you want to install the daemon of the VMware tools. I'm using the default setting for this one. in which directory you want to install the common agent library files. So /usr/t will be default. Okay, in which directory you want to install the common agent files. Okay, default. Okay, fine. Yes. And after the installation of VMware tool, we have to restart the machine to take it effect, to apply the changes. Here you can see that guest operating system name and OK, VMware agent OK, unmounting GFS share OK, and OK. So almost we are done. Yes. Here is asking for the resolution that you want. I need the resolution of 1024/768 and I'm pressing the 3. So once my system boot, it will give me the resolution of the choice that I choose, and it will improve some functionality like mouse movement and some other feature. Okay, fine. We are done, and here I'm going to restart my machine. Init 6. And one thing more, if you not have subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notification of my all the new videos. So now my system is getting up and it will take some time. So it is highly recommended if you are working in a production environment, then please always install the VMware tool to get some extra functionality. It's starting some networking services, power management, printing system. Okay, fine. Now my system is up. Okay, now it's working fine. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.